Preside. It means to be in charge of a meeting, ceremony, or event. Example: she was asked to preside over the company's annual general meeting. Wreckage. It means the remains of something that has been badly damaged or destroyed. Example: the wreckage of the car was scattered all over the highway. Besiege means to surround a place with armed forces in order to capture it or force its surrender. Example: the castle was besieged by the enemy for months. Referendum is a general vote by the electorate on a single political question. Example: the government decided to hold a referendum on the new policy. Daunt means to make someone feel intimidated or apprehensive. Example: the idea of speaking in front of a large audience didn't daunt him at all. Scorching means very hot. Example: it was a scorching summer day, perfect for a trip to the beach. Burglary is the act of breaking into a building, especially a house, to commit a crime. Example: the police are investigating a series of burglaries in the neighborhood. Infringement means the action of breaking the terms of a law, agreement, etc. Example: the company was fined for infringement of copyright laws. Breach means an act of breaking or failing to observe a law, agreement, or code of conduct. Example: there was a security breach in the company's database last night. Audit is an official inspection of an organization's accounts, typically by an independent body. Example: the annual audit revealed some discrepancies in the financial statements. Impassable means impossible to travel along or over. Example: the heavy snowfall made the roads completely impassable. Peevish means easily irritated, especially by unimportant things. Example: his peevish attitude made it hard to work with him on the project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.